Right, one for me and one for Teddy. Good evening. If you'd like to follow me, sir, this way. Ah, here we are. So, I'll stay there. Ta-da! Is this yours? No. That's yours. Oh, there we are. Go on, chicken. Teddy, can I have a chip? Sure. Oh, you're too kind. I'll have another one. Spotted Teddy. There you go. Come on. Oh. What's it? Don't sing. Must be somewhere. God. Polar bears. Oh, you'd like to move tables, sir? Over here. I go. Okay.
Aha! Right.
Flossix. Don't you? Come on. Come on.
Wrong floor.
I tell you.
Are you buying this? So old?
Oh.
This would do nicely. Gimme.
it's a little horse. Look at the little this and this.
Huh?
Hello. Morning. Oh, no, I've got a just like. Get off that.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Oh, no,
That's all I've got!
no, no, oh, no, no.
The frog wrestler. Perfect.
Oh.
How many figures?
Teddy! Teddy! Teddy, come back here! Give me the teddy, please.
A tenner.
Give me the teddy. No. Wait. Give me the...
Give it.
What? All right. Thank you. Now, Teddy, don't you dare wander off like that again. Oh.
So you wake up.
Why did you at least take the sofa?
Excuse me. How much?
300.
300.
Shiver, shiver, dagway, dagway.
Oh. Nice.
No.
Here we go with the carpet. What do you think, George? I like the shape, don't you? Be nice for the pictures too, wouldn't it?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam.
Mr. Bean.
Bean. Yes,
We're very interested in
the
this.
sofa. Oh.
Think he's quite all right.
This sofa smells. No. Whereas, as a hair, I don't. I'm
What do you
sorry.
think you're doing?
Excuse me.
Excuse us.
It's the cushion I want.
Oh, the cushion.
It's the cushion she wants.
Very nice choice.
Oh.
Out or 300.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Oh, to you. Come back round the corner.
What? No. Hey, take it sofa away!
Mr. Bean, move it.
Oh.
What the dickens?
Oh, look at that. No. Oh. Where's that thing gone now? Oh, no. Oh, no.
£20 worth, old sir.
It's still there. Excuse me. How's the sofa? Sofa, have you got that? Oh, no. Stop! Oh, why do you...
Sail's a sail.
Oh, yes, all right, stop!
Da-da-da.